How to add your brand in Shopee. In this video, you will learn the 6 easy steps to add your brand right now in Shopee. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get tips that can help you increase brand recognition, awareness to potential customers, establish trust and credibility with buyers, differentiate your store from competitors, and ultimately increase your sales. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and kung bago ko pala dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business ko online. Let's go! Adding your brand in Shopee is a crucial step in building your business on the platform. When customers see your brand in Shopee, they are more likely to remember it and come back to your store in the future. It adds credibility to your product and makes customers feel more comfortable purchasing from your store. Here's a quick screen record tutorial on how you can add your brand in Shopee. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and I hope na may natutunan ka dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to add your brand in Shopee. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to, and smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.